Let's take a look at what happened today with Tesla. We closed at $332.11, up $3.62, 1.1%. Post-market, we are down by 79 cents. Let's take a look at the chart. The chart is the fact. It shows precisely the tug of war between the buyers and sellers, and this is ultimately what is moving stocks. It's not the news, it's not the earnings, it's how buyers and sellers are acting. Are more buyers buying? Are more sellers selling? This is what makes stocks move or not. That's it. That's all. Nothing else. The rest is all, the rest, the news and everything, this is all nice and dandy, but this is just an illusion. Here we are watching live the tug of war between the buyers and sellers, and we are using that information to position ourselves. When the buyers overpower the sellers significantly, and that's the big word, significantly. The buyers overpower the sellers every day and vice versa too. But what is important is when there is a significant move, and we identify these significant moves in different ways. We have different indicators. We have trend lines, support lines, resistance lines. This is what we do. So right now, let's just recap a little bit so that everybody is on the same page. Tesla is outside of its downward channel. It has been going down since December of last year. Now it's no longer going down. This is something nice. The fact that it's no longer going down does not mean that it's going up. It just means right now that we are going sideways. This is the big congestion zone between 295 and 335. Inside it, sometimes we are just a little bit tighter, 313.13, 335. This is where we are. This is a fact. Another fact, we have the earnings call for Tesla tomorrow. Tomorrow, after the close, we are going to hear what Elon has to say, and many things are going to hinge on that call. This is going to be a very important call. So what are the numbers we need to look at? So if you already own Tesla stock, don't sell right now. I told you not to sell before we were going lower than 295. So we are far away from that 295. We are at 332. So if you own Tesla, you just hold on to it. That's perfectly fine. Unless we see a significant move down. Significant move down would be, again, a move down lower than 295 on Thursday. So if on Thursday we are going lower than 295, the chances are that we are going to go lower. So 295 is the canary in the coal mine telling you you should consider selling, because if we have such a big move down, this is going to indicate that the move down is significant and could be even bigger. Conversely, if we have a significant move up, higher than 360, 65, and I will even say 372, if you want to be really sure, 372, then this is going to be a significantly enough move up that will indicate that the floodgates are being opened and that the buyers are overpowering the sellers. Such force that things are going to continue. They should be continuing. And if they continue, where could we go? Not too long ago in December, we were at 484.13. This is where we could be going, my friends. This is exactly where we could be going. And we have the two numbers, 372 and 295, that are going to dictate which way the stock is going to go. Isn't it fantastic? I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. And stocks do this all the time. I can just go back in time right here. Look at this Tesla stock. Tesla stock in June of 2022. We were making a top right here, and we were making a higher low right here. If we were going to break this, we were going to continue. If we were going to break this, we are going to continue. Sometimes we continue for a long time. Sometimes we continue just a little bit, but we continue. Right here. Another one right here. Boom, boom. Did we go down? No. We went up. Boom. We have another one right here. Going sideways, going sideways. Did we go down? No. Did we go up? Boom. I can do this all day. I can do this all day. Going sideways, going sideways. Did we go down? No. Did we go up? Yes. Boom. I am not making this up. We had one recently. 295, could not break it. Did we go down? No. Did we go up? Yes. Boom. I can find you a move down too. We were going sideways. Did we go up? No. Did we go down? Yes. Boom. Then try to go back up and then boom again. So this is what we are doing on this channel. We are looking at the trends, the patterns that we see all the time. It's always the same patterns on any stock we can look at. So this is what we are expecting. We have 1 day left to start seeing some movement. We have the numbers we need to look at. We are ready. What is happening with the rest of the market? We have the VIX right here. VIX is continuing down. We are down 0.15, 1649. We love this. Bonds are continuing to go lower. The 20-year, the 10-year, we love this. Let's take a look at the stock indices. We are going sideways. At least we are not going down. We are just going sideways, nothing else to report. SPX continuing higher, slowly but surely is climbing higher and higher. We had a little bit of a top recently, broke above it, now we are continuing. Nasdaq also continuing. Russell, this is a sideways day today, even though it was up by 74%. We still have to break at some point 23.25, but we are not there already. Bitcoin, what's happening with Bitcoin? Good day today. We are up 2%, but that 2%, is it significant? No, it is not significant. It is not significant because we are just going sideways. Look at this. This is flat. We could do a resistance right here at 121.105. If we start breaking that 121.105, this is going to be a precursor. There's always 123,195 that is right above. This is what we need to break in order to have a significant move. If you own some Bitcoin, don't sell it until we go lower than 115 right here. We are supposed to go sideways. If we go lower, this is going to be bad. If we go higher, this is going to be good. If you own some Bitcoin, hold it. If it goes lower, sell. If it goes higher, buy more or get into it. Ethereum, a little bit of a down day. No surprise because this is the resistances that we have right here. And what we tend to do at resistances is that we tend to come back down. Sometimes we are a little bit far away. Sometimes we are right smack on it. So right now, we are starting to move down. This is not a surprise. This is what is supposed to happen. Maybe it needs to cool down a little bit to pick up again. So we'll see. But right now, this is not a surprise that we are cooling down a little bit. Let's take a look at some Tesla news that are being piped into our Discord server. Tesla's California EV sales dropped for 7th straight quarter. So the number of new Tesla vehicles registered in California fell once again as the company continued to lose ground in the largest US market for electric vehicles. This is sad. I cannot spin it any other way. This is sad. Tesla sales are down 21% in biggest US EV market, dragging whole market down. Tesla Q2 earnings preview on the road to unprofitability. There's a lot of news, and most of them are not really good. And DMV is pushing Tesla to suspend sales and manufacturing of EVs in California for at least 30 days after it claims the company misled consumers about the self-driving capabilities of its vehicles. The news are pretty bad. This is a good news. Giant Tesla diner movie screen erected in front of apartment balconies in Hollywood. Okay, so maybe this is not such a good news. Also, Tesla charging unit sparks massive inferno in Texas garage, severely damaging home. Is this fear, uncertainty, and doubt? Remember, the stock market is not about the past. It is about the future. Because bad earnings right here, I'm going to say it again. April 22nd, bad earnings, really bad earnings. Did I say it? Bad earnings, negative 34% surprise in profitability. Still profitable, but 30% negative surprise. What did happen? The stock went from 226 to 360. We don't care about the news. We care about the behavior of the buyers and sellers. And this is what we are going to check tomorrow after the close, what is going to be happening. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.